motherfuckers. Take this message, dirty cunt. And remember, friend with me today.
What's good, y'all? We're back, boys.
So, watch your eyes. This the hunting with bad parents. This is so fucked up. You go there. With it, man. So yeah, let's go, motherfuckers. I broke the bomb. It turned down. Fuck. Oh, let's speed up. Let's speed up. Make him flat. Watch how fast move. Watch how fast do you? I watch in my eyes. Don't hang it. Man, make sure the camera's gone. Look how fast that motherfucker's going.
Tyler, where did that thing go?
Flew off someone. Oh. Motherfucker.
Bro, we're breaking the fuck out of this thing.
I'm so tired of watching. That boy, I lost my cords.
Oh shit! Damn!
Oh!
You broke it.
The white ball fucking.
There, Ty, you put it straight into her. Must have fun.
Let's be it. Make sure the camera. Oh god. Boom. I'm tired. God damn white. There we go. Man. Careful with the white. Don't hit the middle piece of that white guy. Oh.
They're about to fly off.
Alright, and fuck that the camera.
Oh shit.
Motherfucker. Oh guys.
Oh shit. Ty, look.
It's fine, pussy.
It's not flying. It's wobbling.
Fuck, it's all fucked up.
It's about to fall.
Hold on, guys.
It broke it.
Oh god. Oh,
shit. Oh hell no.
Blow the phone's head. Dude,
Hell.
blow the phone.
Hell.
My friend's about to kick my house on fire because it won't help me.
I'm not fucking moving.
My tripod don't loose. Sorry, guys.
Oh hell no. Hell no.
Dude, pull the phone thing. What the fuck? Pull the middle one too. Fuck. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble with the camera. The fan's rolling. The fucking light's supposed to above the house. Alright, we're speaking now. Huh?
Hell no, that shit was creepy as hell.
Sorry for craziness, people. Don't touch that! That's a fuck man. That will fuck you.
Oh, it will.
What the fuck? Oh god! The potion went in there, that's scary.
Let's not turn it on. Don't turn it on, dumbass.
Go in.
No, don't do it.
Listen, keep going. Go. Oh, watch out. Oh shit, move! Oh, not the cord! Not the cord! Not the fucking cord! Not the cord!
It's about to take you with.
It's about to put the cord with it.
I asked fucked.
Get fucked in it! Go!
Oh, no.
Oh, fuck.
It's fast! It's fast! Oh!
Come on! What we got, what? Oh, God! Fuck! Chain keeps being stuck. Keep trying, cord! Oh, fuck you!
Oh! 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 I'm scared of that shit.
What's the middle? Alright, alright! Oh God! There you go. Oh!
It's done for now.
Goodbye.
Nice fuck.
I'm trying to get to hit the middle. So there's
Now we're gonna clean this shit up.
yeah, it's fun.
Here's the bad. Yo, we're having fun breaking this, y'all.
Switch tools. Alright, make it cohesive. Oh! Oh, I was so high. Oh! What hit me, my bro? That's not a good fuck idea! Motherfucker! Let's go! Let's go! I'm gonna go forward! Let's go, bitch! Come on here, Dave! Come on here, pussy!
Damn!
Let's do it. Oh shit, Clam. That's fun enough. Oh shit, watch out. Watch out. Pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. Good kicks. Pow, 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 pow.
It's over now.
How many times are you get hit by fucking shit? Dude, you're way worse than my friend. God damn.
Oh,
When did you hit?
I hit one of those.
Oh, you probably hit the right side. Ow! Wanna try coffee? Yeah! You don't like it, see? This for good? This for good, daddy? Yeah!
I'm sorry, Ty, but look.
That's fine. I want to get this off.
Should we take it down?
No!
Oh, we gotta break it down.
Dumbass.
You're hit me that time. Let me see it. Alright, switch.
I swear my dick. I'm gonna have meatballs by the time I'm done with this.
There, switch, Ty.
Do it good. Twice. Go. Two. High.
How much to fuck it up? Fuck it up. Batter up!
Try to hit that way. So if it falls, it don't hit the fingers.
This right
No,
here?
this way.
This way?
Yeah. So if it falls, it don't hit the fingers. Oh, watch out! Huh? It's trying to get... Oh!
I fucked it up!
Oh, it's trying. You fucked it really good. That was sick.
Tyler, you can keep these for regular drums.
Here. Oh, make sure. Oh, back up. Fuck you.
I'm putting on my shirt for this. It's over. It's over now.
Watch the
You wanna fucking let me hit the wall? Dirty bitch!
Watch the ceiling, dude. Oh, damn. Watch out, watch out. It's coming. Oh! Oh, it's coming. Ow, fuck it. There you go.
I'm doing the last part. You can't knock your shirt off. I'm taking my shirt off with this shit. It's over.
Ow, fuck. Oh, God, what's up?
Good, good.
I thought I hit you. Oh, God. What? It's coming to
Let me finish it. Let me finish it. Tyler.
No, it's mine.
I'm just saying, no, it's fun.
Oh, it's coming. It's very on. What? Do I get fell off? Oh, it's coming. There you go. Alright, motherfuckers. Hopefully doing yourself some shit.
Ah!
Ugh.
Yeah, I damaged it pretty good though. Now we got a lot of shit to clean up, chat. Now y'all.
Bye-bye, pussy ass motherfuckers. Hit the... Oh, no, wait. We forgot something.
We're both gonna each break one.
Yeah, go get one.
One right here.
Hold on.
We gonna both break one, y'all. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, man.
That was very easy, chat. You know, y'all. We.
God damn.
They got some power into it.
There's the old ones. Go get them.
Alright, that's the last one.
I think there's a fifth one somewhere. Is there one back there? One my phone back there.
See his chat?
Alright. One more thing to you guys.